the sheep have been brought in. Sandstone Arch.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Leaving town. The route out at the top of the town. Just keep flowing through. Saw my first deer. We're just going across open farmland, seeing posts. My only fear is the path goes between those two cows. Those cows are right by our post. What we didn't know was just over the rise was this big fella. Eek. Coming into their field. The path goes right through the middle of that kid. Easier walking through fields of sheep as they run away. But the cows, yeah, different kettle of fish. I think you guys might be the bulls. Woo! It's a vast open area with some sheep. And we're a little bit off track, and then suddenly you see a post. Raining, long grass, bracken, no path. Scotland. And your intuition is rewarded with a post. But where from here? Good morning, day 6. So we got to Dalry, that was really good. Stayed in a Airbnb place. Laundry, food, recharging, absolutely everything you'd normally do. 2 hotels in the town, one closed on Monday, Tuesday, and so therefore we ate. Just going over a stream. So we ate in one of them, the 2 little shops which enabled us to resupply, so that was really good. And today, it's quite a long day today. We're trying to make our way to another Bothy, and today is really just going across open farmland. So yeah, let's see where the day takes us. Everything is hidden down little valleys. Couldn't see this until I was about 4 yards from it. So through here and turn right. Come all the way across there, no path really, and you keep walking, and then you suddenly see a post. Not much to see in this barren landscape, apart from posts, marker posts. That's what you're going for. First real marker point for the walk today is this road junction where we go straight across, but it's a good chance to take a quick rest. Gentleman turned down the road and asked us if we were all okay. I said we were. He said brilliant, and off he goes. The long road. Some electric posts are more weathered than others. So in the middle of the road, on some old poo, are some button mushrooms. Yeah, I could be a sheep herder. They just run away. The instructions said turn left, sycamore tree. We're like, there's no sign. Ah. Here's the sign. But having a path probably gives it away. We're being watched. Every move. Din, 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 din. Through the wavy grass to a pinpoint yellow on the horizon. You're out in the middle of the southern uplands. There's so much water retained in this ground. My feet are going to be wet this evening. So across this open land there are stock fences of sorts and then kissing gates. So you know you're on the right way. Says pickup point, and that's where we're going. These little off-road vehicles changed farming, but cut up paths. Oh, a marker near some trees, it said. Oh, I can see the next marker in the middle of those sheep. All the sheep have been brought in. I think the guy's down there somewhere. Just stopping to look back on this partially rural, partially open landscape. Having seen very few posts or markers going over the moory bits, we now get three in quick succession. I think we're going to cross this road quite a lot, just taking a more direct path through the woods. Like an Appalachian Trail bald, going up over these mounds to the top. Hello. Just recording, we've seen somebody.
Oh, I see.
Are you going southbound?
Well, west, yeah.
Yeah, sorry, yeah.
Yeah, we will go south eventually. But not today.
Not today. Just coming down. Then we just got to go over that hill, and then a few kilometres to the other side should be our Bothy for the night. It was only a few hundred metres. The guys over there putting up a new weather mast. I can see the path snaking up with many false summits. It long gave up any pretense of zigzagging. It's just going straight up now. That's a long straight up climb. Oh, and here your sculpture and trig point at the summit. Oh. Here we are, top of the hill, sandstone arch. If you look carefully through the middle, you'll see it on the other hill. The view from on top stretches for miles. Lucky with the weather today. Scottish lowlands. Disappears off down the hill, and we have to go off to the right. You can see marker post up there, but essentially you've got this to walk through and make your way, reaching a turning point. That is Colt Hill, where the other arch is. A little bit confused with the map, because I think the map thinks I'm in forest, and in fact, just on call, along comes a large lorry with timber. So I think we are on track, just not what it looks like to the naked eye. The map I'm using, this is all forest. I think as they've cut down the edge of the forest, the trees on the inside, which aren't as sturdy, have just fallen over. Past the quarry on the logging road. Okay, so this looks like the chalk Bothy with works going on behind. Here we are in this Bothy. Coming into the Bothy, there's a little anti-area, and then the main place.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.